Hi there, just the continuation of it, the throttle wires. This one has red, black and white, but the other side has red, black and blue. So again, not a great color combination. And this one is another of the throttle wires, which has red, oh sorry, yellow and green, and it goes into red. So if you have the connection, and then this is are the brake levers. The brake levers has this one, and the other one also has. So if you look at the color combination of the brake levers, it is red and light purple color, but on this one it has black, yellow and red one. So there are three wires on the controller aspect, and on the brake lever aspect it has only two wires. And in the same thing here as well, you can see red and purple, and here it has black, red and yellow. So the color combination is not the great, but this is how it is. It should, yeah. So you got the main socket, and these two are the free wires. This is not free, this is positive for the battery and this is negative for the battery. The black one is for the negative for the battery, the red one is positive for the battery, and these are the connections. So there is only, you can see these are the two wires. Oh sorry, these are the two wires. If you connect those, but it will reduce the speed, but it is for 1500. It shouldn't be there on this one, 250 watt motor. I'm not sure why they put it. Sometimes the Chinese amazed you. Thank you very much for that.